If 5 of 20 tires in storage are defective and 5 of them are randomly chosen for inspection, and each tire has same chance of being selected. So from 20 tires we have to select 5 tires, and in 20 tires 5 tires are defective and 15 are okay. So from the chosen tire, what is the probability that 2 of them are defective? So we have to find probability of 2 tires, 2 defective tires is chosen. Now we have total 20 tires. 15 tires are okay and 5 tires are defective, and we are choosing 5 tires randomly from all these 20 tires. Now we have to find that from these chosen tires, what is the probability that 2 defective tires are included. Now we will use concept of combination here. Now from total 20 tires, how many ways we can choose 5 tires? So it is 20 combination 5. And now in nominator we have to find outcomes which are desirable. So desirable event is from these chosen 5 tires we have 2 tires defective and 3 is okay tires. So now this pattern is only possible is 3 tires is chosen from these okay tires, and 5 tires are chosen from these defective tires. So how many ways we can choose okay tires from these 15 tires? So this question can be reduced to how many ways we can choose 3 tires from these 15 tires. So it is 15C3. Same way, how many ways we can choose 2 defective tires from these 5 defective tires? So it is 5C2. Now we have to just calculate this expression to evaluate our answer. Now 5C2 is 5 times 4. We have to reduce this number by 1, so it is 4. Now 5C2, here 2 is written, so we will do this up to 2 terms, and in denominator we will write 2 times 1. Now here it is 3, so 15 times 14 times 13, it is 3 term, and similarly 3 times 2 times 1 because it is 3. So this is the formula for combination. Similarly 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16, 1 2 3 4 5, and in denominator 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now if you calculate this expression, then you will get your final answer as 2275 divided by 7752. So it is approximately 0.3. So this is our exact answer. So probability that from our chosen 5 tires we have 2 tires defective is approximately 0.3. So it is 30% chance that 2 tires will be defective.